everyone, my name is Katya and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this adorable flower. It's a quick and easy project, and to crochet this flower you can use any number 4 medium weight yarn with a 3mm crochet hook. You can use any yarn of your choice, just adjust your hook size, and you're also going to need your scissors and a tapestry needle. The flower that we're going to be crocheting today is measuring about 2 inches. We're going to start with the magic ring. To work on your magic ring, hold on to your yarn tail with your thumb, wrap your yarn around your 2 fingers, crisscross it in the front, hold on to your working yarn with your ring finger, insert your hook underneath the first circle, using the second circle, bring out a loop, go into your working yarn and chain 1. Here we have a magic ring with the chain 1. If you're having a hard time with the magic ring, you can slip knot, chain 4, and slip stitch into the first chain to create a ring that way. It's up to you here, but I just wanted to show you the difference in the flower. So here on this one, I worked the magic ring, and in this one, I did the chain 4 with the slip knot. So there's a little bit of difference. So here we have a magic ring with the chain 1. We need to chain 4 more. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. We have chain 5 so far, and into the magic ring we're going to work 1 single crochet. So here's 1 single crochet. If you're having a hard time holding on to your magic ring, go ahead and tighten the center a little bit by pulling this yarn tail. I find that it's a little bit easier that way. Now go ahead and repeat chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and work 1 single crochet into the magic ring. Repeat chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and work 1 single crochet into the magic ring. We need 2 more. Here's chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and work a single crochet into the magic ring. And 1 more time, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and work 1 single crochet into the magic ring. We should have a total of 5 chain 5 spaces. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can pull on this yarn tail and tighten the center even more if you want to. This is how it looks like so far. Now for round 2, what we need to do is we need to get to the chain 5 space, and to do that we're going to slip stitch into the first chain 5 space, chain 1, and work 1 single crochet. Now this is the start of the petal, so 1 single crochet, then 1/2 double crochet. We're going to work all of this into the first chain 5 space. Now work 3 double crochets. So here's 1, 2, and 3. Now work 1/2 double crochet into the same chain 5 space, and to finish work 1 single crochet back into that first chain 5 space. One more time. This is how it looks like. So we finished working on our first petal. Let's repeat the same exact thing to this chain 5 space. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with 1 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet, 3 double crochets, so 1, here's 2, and 1 more double crochet. Total is 3 double crochets. Work 1/2 double crochet back into that same chain 5 space, and to end 1 single crochet. So here we worked our second petal. Let's repeat the same exact thing to the next chain 5 space. We're going to work 1 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet, 3 double crochets. Here's 1, 2, and 3. Work 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. Now go ahead and repeat the same exact thing to this 2 chain 5 spaces, and I'll meet you right over here to show you how to finish off. Here we finished working the 5 petals, and this is how it looks like. And to end this round, all we're going to do is we're going to slip stitch into the first single crochet right over here where we started working on the first petal. So go ahead and slip stitch into that space, and you can cut your yarn. Pull out your hook, tighten it. Next, let's go ahead and work on the yarn tails really quickly, and I'll show you how that's done. Let's go ahead and work on the center one first, and go ahead and pull on this yarn tail again as tight as you can, just to tighten the center a little bit more. And now what I'm going to do is right over here where we worked our single crochets, I'm going to insert my needle into those single crochets. Pull out your needle, drop 1 loop, and using the back loops of any of the single crochet stitches, insert your needle 1 more time and pull it out. And 1 more time, coming back around the same area where we were, and you are done. So I like to work on it 3 times, so going back and forth like this. You can cut your yarn tail. And now let's go ahead and work on this one. Here are your finished flowers. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!